That's okay. I got her ear last time.
Hey, Bex, is that what that's about?
We're playing. She's taking a nap. So be quiet.
Play now, play.
What you doing,
She's
Anna?
playing and kicking like the babies do on the bed, on her pallet.
That's too funny.
Be easy with her. She may come apart.
You made her?
No, I didn't make her.
You can't pull on her bib like that. You'll pull her over.
Does she like to see the babies?
You two are so funny. Yes, you are.
Oh, is she?
Now
Okay.
it's your turn to put her.
Anna.
All right.
Look at your
Anna
mama.
Jane, what are you thinking? Hey.
I'm plotting.
Look at her. She just loves that camera. Whitley does.
No, I'm
Just
on the
smile.
side of the couch.
Hey.
Charlotte.
Hey, pretty girl. Hey there. Hey.
See, I found my toes, so I better find yours now.